What's up, good people? Today is one of my most favorite days. It's food shopping day. When you're meal prepping, when you're doing your make-ahead meals because you're about to get your multi-hyphenate eater life on, you got to have your shopping day. I recommend you set your shopping day to be a specific day and time every single week. Now, for shopping day, that means you have to also pre-plan what meals you're going to be making for the next coming week. I've already done that. I will let you all know that in the videos that I'm going to do for my meals this coming up weekend. But I'm headed to my two favorite stores, Aldi's, where my Aldi's fans at, whoop, 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 and my local international food mart. Hey now, what's up, good people? I am back from my grocery haul. I went to my favorite Aldi's, where my Aldi's peeps at, and then my local international food store. I love the local international food store because I generally get my large quantity seasonings for a way better price. Plus, you can get just like the coolest things if you want to make some type of a recipe that would be a little bit more adventurous, something you don't normally eat, maybe an African dish, maybe an Indian dish, and you'll just get better prices at the local international food store than you will at your kind of typical store. Now, when I do my food shopping, because I'm going to be prepping for my meal prep and make ahead meals for the next week, I generally make a menu at least of 2 weeks so that I know what I'm going to enjoy to nourish my soul. Y'all know that I am a multi-hyphenate eater. If you didn't know, this is your first time, I'm a multi-hyphenate eater. Vegetarian, pescatarian, vegan, and always gluten-free. Yes. So I just did this haul. Let me just tip this down a little bit so you can see all the yummy deliciousness. So next week I'm making both vegan and vegetarian dishes for my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I do generally make all of my meals for the most part. So up for next week for breakfast, I'm doing a fried chickpea with cauliflower, spicy fried chickpea and cauliflower tacos. Yes, that's going to be my breakfast. Yep, I'm going to do an apple slices and an apple and carrot slices salad to sprinkle on top of that joint with a little guacamole sauce. Then I'm going to also make my absolutely stupendous zucchini lasagna. So I got this gorgeous organic zucchini at Aldi's. This is going to be a vegetarian dish. It's not going to be vegan. So I'm going to use cottage cheese in place of ricotta. Spice it up though, make it really, really yummy and delicious. And then I'm going to have lots of mixed green salads. I got my favorite romaine hearts, and gotta have some kale. Get that kale in there. I even use kale to make kale chips. They were okay. Kind of a little bit of a trend and a fad. I did enjoy them, but they were a little bit labor intensive. So I just also enjoy having kale in my salads. Plus I'm gonna have some spinach, throw a little red onion in that puppy. And also, if you haven't seen the video where I make my homemade creamy, super creamy, and it's so delicious, homemade dressing, you have to go and look at that video. I stocked up, y'all. Yep, I got like 4 of these joints right here at Aldi's because this is my favorite mustard to add in that creamy, homemade creamy dressing. I love spicy stuff, so this horseradish mustard is the bazam, not the bomb, the bazam. And then I got some lime. You know you want to have that to add a little acid to your food. And I'm always going to add something sweet. I got some gorgeous, yummy cherry tomatoes. I'm also making some uncooked spring rolls with tahini sauce. That means that the spring roll is not going to be fried or baked or anything. I'm going to use lots of these fresh vegetables to make a delicious spring roll. And that's also going to be another meal that I'm going to have throughout the week. So there you have it. That's my grocery haul and my prep for my make ahead meals and my meal planning. I hope that y'all are doing something awesome for your own self-care, your own way. You should never hesitate to show yourself just how much you love yourself. And one of the ways I do that is by creating these lovely, delicious, yummy, nourishing meals that help you nourish your soul. I'll see y'all in the next video. Boom.